Hello, you're welcome to CCS CAD Tools. We're going to be learning a lot of packages, starting with PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and some other packages that you need to be proficient in computer-aided teaching. Here we want to look at the user interface of PowerPoint. To open PowerPoint, you look to the left corner, bottom left corner of the screen, you click and you go up. These are the programs list. This here, we're using PowerPoint. We want to open PowerPoint. It may be PowerPoint 2010, maybe 2016, maybe any other version, but here we're using version 2016. So the first thing you do is to right click on it. I have it in two positions here. Yours may not be here, it may be down because it's arranged in alphabetical order. So it goes down, come there. If you look at this, you see most used. That's why we're seeing it here. So you may open your system and you don't find it here. Don't feel confused. You go down, you scroll down in alphabetical order, okay, until you get to P. Come down. That's it. PowerPoint 2016. So just right click on it. You go up. These are the files I've opened before. Go up, you see more. You click on more there, then go to pin to taskbar. Click on that. Good, that's it. So that next time you don't need to go through that Israelite journey to fetch it. So you just click on it here once. That's PowerPoint. Okay, it's a powerful software for presentations. So click on blank presentation here. Click on this white one here, this white icon. Good. Now these are PowerPoint user interface. Now what is user interface? User interface is what you see when you open a software. There's the file ribbon, there's the home ribbon, there's the insert ribbon, there's the design ribbon, there's transition ribbon, there's animations, and this is slideshow. Okay, so these are tools. When you click on a ribbon, you'll find the tools that are grouped under that ribbon. They come up, they show, and you can use any of them. Okay, this is the home ribbon. Then to your left here, this is thumbnail view. This is thumbnail. If I want to duplicate, just come here, duplicate slide. That's what you'll be doing often. If I duplicate again, okay, so that the pictures of this slide will be carried onto the other slide, so you don't need to format again. So you usually duplicate. Okay, so there's a thumbnail view, and here there's the work area. There's the work area. Okay, there's the work area, and this what you're seeing here is called a slide. In Microsoft Word, you work with documents. In PowerPoint, you work with slides. In Microsoft Excel, you work with worksheets, and a combination of worksheets is called a work group. Okay, collection of worksheets make a work group. So this is the user interface. Okay, this is what you see. This is what you'll be working with while using PowerPoint. There's the home tab. This is the home tab or the home ribbon. There's the insert tab of the ribbon. There's the design tab. There's the transition. Okay, let me just quickly explain. Under home tab here, you have the tools that we'll use for your common tasks. Okay, for example, you have typed something. This is to bold it. Okay, this italicize, this underline, and so on. Then under the insert tab, you want to bring anything external into your slide, you will use the insert tab. You want to insert anything into the slide, you use the insert tab. You have shapes here, you have smart art, and so on. Then there's the design. Under design, talk about templates and so on. Maybe the template and also the size of your slide. It may be ratio 16:9 or ratio 4:3. That's what you call the aspect ratio. We'll deal with those ones later. Then here, this tab, this transition. Transition tab is where you specify the way your slide is going to enter the stage. That's transitions tab. Okay, there are many of them there. There are other animations. And the animations is going to tell you how to bring in your objects on the screen, that's individual objects on the screen, how you want your objects to dance before the viewer, okay, for your audience, how you want the audience, the objects, how you want them to dance before them, how you want them to attract the viewer by way of animation. So whatever you want to do under animation is under this tab. Then when you're through designing your slide, you want to present it, you go to slideshow. This is slideshow tab where you configure your slides, set up slideshow, custom, and so on. So this is the user interface of PowerPoint. Now here, if you come back down to the bottom right here, you can see this is a small button here, slideshow. You can always use that, slideshow. You want to just test this current slide, you click on this, you use this. See that you use this one, or you go to slideshow, you go to your left and say from current slide. Okay, this from the beginning of all the slides, that's the slide number 1. But here, whichever slide you're working on, if I'm on this slide and I want to view only this slide in slideshow mode, I'll go to slideshow and I'll say from current slide. You click on this. Okay, so I think for now, this is all we have to know about the user interface. And so again, if you have been using other packages before, you know this is to close this is close the application completely. This is to minimize, okay, this is to minimize it, and so on. So, and with this, you are set to actually start carrying out slide productions. With this, you are ready to start creating your slides. For more videos on CCS CAD tools, just go to YouTube and search for CCS CAD tools. You'll get more videos on PowerPoint or Microsoft Word that will help you in your computer-aided teaching program. Don't forget to subscribe, send me your comments, and also like my videos. Thank you.